Welcome to the Siam Center Law Group podcast. This is Barrister Gan. Today we're discussing a highly relevant topic in the digital era: defamation cases in Thailand. The prevalence of social media platforms has, unfortunately, led to an increased rate of defamation cases. The damage caused by defamation today can be significant, as it's often public and wide-reaching. Now let's dissect how these cases proceed and discuss the potential compensation for defamation victims. A psychological dimension often exists in these cases, stemming from damage caused by harsh words. Here, courts in Thailand generally lean towards fostering reconciliation between parties, offering an opportunity for settlement negotiations before escalating matters further. However, the level of compensation isn't equal in all cases. For instance, if the defamed party is a well-known public figure, the damage caused can be substantially more, potentially resulting in compensation between 1 million to 2 million baht, or even more in some cases. On the other hand, if an average individual, not particularly famous or well-known, suffers defamation, the damage might be mostly emotional and thus less quantifiable. For example, let's look at Thailand's Supreme Court judgment, number 626/2563. In this case, the victim, defamed by being wrongfully labeled a sex worker, sought 1 million baht for civil damages. The defendant admitted to the criminal liability of the act, but disputed the high civil damages claim. The Court of First Instance and the Court of Appeal both agreed on a much lower compensation of 40,000 baht. Therefore, if you're a victim of defamation in Thailand, it's important to remember that while criminal prosecution may bring some resolution, as it often leads to negotiations, compensation through civil damages may be lower than expected unless substantial material or reputational damages can be proved. In many cases, defamation victims may find satisfaction in the wrongdoer, ceasing their harmful activities and issuing a public apology. However, for civil damages, a figure around 40,000 to 50,000 baht seems to be a reasonable expectation, particularly in cases where the damage is primarily psychological. This is all we have time for today on the Siam Center Law Group podcast. I hope you found this discussion on defamation cases in Thailand insightful. This is Barrister Gan signing off. Thank you for tuning in.